Okay, I don't want to waste any of your time, so the website that I'm showing you right now is aistudio.google.com. You can go ahead and sign up for it by just having a Google account. So if you already have a Google account, you simply go ahead and sign in with that and you are in and ready to go. When you're doing it for the first time, you're just going to see a sign up button here. So just go ahead and type in your email, type in your password and log in. We all know that Gemini is already free, and with the latest update, you have access to the flashlight, flash and 3.1 Pro models. You can also change the level of thinking here from standard to extended. And the best model, arguably one of the best model available at all, even for paid and free, is 3.1 Pro. Google very generously gives you 3.1 access for free, but it is of course quite limited if you are not a paying customer or have some sort of API. You can probably get in around 6, 8, maybe 10 messages if they're pretty short, but after that you're going to hit the limit. But if you are willing to sacrifice some of the privacy, meaning that everything that you send to this website gets trained and is used to improve the Gemini models, then you can actually get a ton more access to Gemini Pro. What you want to do when getting over here is you can pretty much let all of these settings be. If the thinking level is not set to high, go ahead and set that to high, because that gives you of course the best response. You want to click on the top here where you have the model selection, and you can just go ahead and search for Gemini Pro and choose the Pro latest. You can also choose the specific Pro model if you want the older 2.5 model or the latest 3.1, but I just like to go for the general alias. So Gemini Pro latest automatically chooses the latest Gemini models as they're being released. And when you go ahead and pick that, you can go ahead and upload anything you want here. You can go ahead and upload any media if you want as well. And if you wanted to be able to run code, go ahead and enable code execution as well. And then you're set to go. You literally have access to one of the best AI models ever completely for free. In my testing, I've seen that you can probably get in around 20 to 30 to even more messages than that. It has an enormous window of context. Here I have a question that I asked it about some discrete mathematics problem, and as you can see, it solved it completely flawlessly. And on the top here you can see how many tokens have been used. If I was a paying customer, then this would have cost me around $0.26, and that is for around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 messages. So of course, if you're chatting with it all day, it is going to add up to quite a substantial amount. But as I said, it is completely free, and Google is paying for all of this. And I myself do not mind them training it on any of the data that I'm giving it. I would actually like to see Gemini improve, as they are, for example, giving access to the model for free here. So go ahead and try it out. There is a link in the description, and let me know how it works for you. And this goes without saying, but this video is completely non-sponsored.